How to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how you can save Instagram Reels to your gallery. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how you can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you want to download a reel from Instagram, you just need to head over to the search bar or head over to the reel section. Just go to one of the reels which you want to download onto your device. So in order to download a reel from Instagram Reel or save the reels to your gallery, head over to the reel which can be downloaded. For example, this one, when I tap on this share icon, you can find this download option, which means when I click on it, this video will be downloaded. But for some videos, those videos are not available to be downloaded because the user hasn't allowed it. For example, this one right here. But if you find this option called download, you may simply go on with the process of downloading the video, and that video should be appeared on your gallery. So that's how you basically download videos from Instagram Reels to your gallery. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.